Now, YouTube regularly keeps updating its rules and regulations. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the right process to upload YouTube Short as per the new updates. So let's go. First of all, open your YouTube application. Now to upload your YouTube Shorts, just look at the bottom. Here's a plus icon in the middle at the bottom. Just click on it. Now, if you want to directly record your video from right here, just click on the record button below. And if you have already created video on your phone stories, look at the bottom left corner. Here is a small gallery icon. So click on it. It'll redirect to your phone gallery. Now select the video file that you want to upload as a YouTube Short. Now the video is being loaded here. Now click on done. It'll take a few seconds to process your video. Let's allow it. Now, if you want to add any music to this video, just look at the top side. Here's an add sound option. Just click on it. Now you will see a lot of music here. And whatever music you want to use, just click on it. For example, I'm using this music. And click on next. Now in this page, you need to do some important settings. In case of long video, you can sense the video thumbnail just before uploading or even after uploading the video. But in case of short video, you can sense the video thumbnail just before uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can sense the video thumbnail. So just before uploading your video, sense the thumbnail. And to sense the thumbnail of your short videos, just click on this pen icon. And from the bottom line, select the interesting frame or interesting moment from the video. So after selecting the interesting frame from the bottom right, click on the check mark at the top right corner. Now your thumbnail is selected. You can change the location from here. For example, I'm typing here United States. It's not compulsory to select your location. You can edit a related video. I mean, if there isn't a long video in your channel, you can attach the long video with the short video. And while your short video will be playing on short pads, the long video title will be shown up at the bottom of your video. So this is how you can promote your long video with the help of your short videos. Okay, next, scroll down a little bit again. Now click on add paid promotion level. If you aren't promoting any brand deals, just click on now. Now click on altered content. It's compulsory. If your video isn't generated by AI, then click on now. And if you have generated your video with the help of AI tools, you have to select yes. Now go back. Now you can turn on and turn off the comment section for this video. Just click on it. If you want to allow the audience to comment on your videos, just keep it on. And if you want to turn off the comment section, just keep it off. And one more important thing is, you should select the visibility as unlisted. And once your video is completely uploaded, go to your YouTube studio. Now go to your YouTube studio and select the video that you have already uploaded from your YouTube application. I've already published this video. I'm just showing you the process. Okay, click on this pen icon, and from this visibility section you have to select it public. You uploaded your video selecting unlisted, but now you have to select it public, and now go back and you have to click on save, and your video will be public. Okay, so this is the right process to upload short videos on YouTube. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.